Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. Doing another mail-in carburetor repair service job on a carburetor for Don. Don sent me his carburetors for his 1958 3 horsepower Johnson. I got all my test motors lined up right here, and there's the 3 horsepower right over there. And I got my carb on it right now. Watch how that thing starts up easy. So it starts up like a dream. So I'm gonna swap out the carburetors. I'll mark Don's carburetor with a D on it, so you can see that it's his carburetor when I put it on there. I'm gonna go inside, clean it up, get it all carburetor clean, carburetor kit done, all the parts changed out, stick her on my 3 horsepower, see how she runs. If everybody's ready, here we go. Got Don's carb all broken down. Gonna drop her in the chem dip. 45 minutes, got my carb kit sitting there ready to do the replacement when she comes out, and we'll take her outside and see how she runs. All right, got the carburetor swapped out. Got my test carburetor off of it and got Don's carburetor on there. Let's see how she runs. She runs like a charm. I ran the gas out of it so I can ship it back to Don. Another successful mail-in carburetor repair job. Anybody needs their carburetor worked on any one of these horsepowers, just send it on in to me. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. I love what I do. I especially love helping people with their hobby and providing all the services that you need to work on these vintage outboard motors. So I'd like to take this opportunity to go over the things that I can offer you. So first thing is my eBay store. I have an eBay store, been having it for 10 or 12 years, have over 2,000 parts. If you need parts, T Mike's eBay store is where to go. I have a link for all these things down in the description. Just click on the link, it'll bring you right to my store. I also offer a mail-in service program. You can ship me your magneto, carburetor, or gear case. I'll repair it here, test it on my motors, and send it right back to you. All right. I also offer technical consulting. I have a link down in the description on eBay to buy it, $40 an hour. I don't mind you calling me and helping you for 10 or 15 minutes for free. If it takes longer than that and you want to dedicate an hour or 2 towards helping it, just buy one of these items on eBay and I'll give you technical consulting. I also do repair, service, and restoration on outboard motors. You've seen my videos, you've seen my work. Here's a link to the video to give you the prices for doing that work. You can ship me your motor, I can restore it for you and ship it back to you. All right. I've also started selling parts on eBay, all right? I sell a full tune-up kit, the master kit. It's got everything you need: coils, points, condensers, spark plugs, spark wires with the boots on them, everything you need to rebuild your carburetor. And then I also sell all these parts individually. You can buy just the coils, just the tune-up kit, just the spark plugs, just the spark wires if you want, all right? And also, I'm now offering T Mike Vintage Outboard caps and mouse pads. If you want to join the T-Mike Club, all these links are down in the description. Also, I would like to mention that if you have any videos that I don't have that you would like to make, just hit me on YouTube or text me at 337-278-5429. I'll gladly make a video. I've got over 270 now videos on these motors. I think I have everything covered, but if I don't, just go ahead and hit me up. I'd love to make a video to help you guys out. And always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video.